Okay friends, so here we are starting our first unit number 1, number system. So it's a easy chapter, so I'll just give you an overview of this. So starting with various type of numbers. So starting with the natural numbers, as you all know, natural number are 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes on like this only. Now a whole number starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. A whole number is a natural number, but all natural numbers are not whole number because 0 is included in a whole number, but natural number is not 0 is not included in natural number. So that's the difference between natural number and whole number. Then we come to even number and odd number. Even number, as you all know, which is a multiple of 2, such like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And odd number is which is a multiple of 2m plus minus 1, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, like that. Then prime number are those number which are divisible by only 1 and the number itself, just like 2, 3, 5, 91, and so on. And we have to note that 2 is only even number, which is a prime number. Now co-prime number. Co-prime number are those numbers who which are having their HCF, highest common factor, as 1. As in the first case we can see 9 and 2. 9 is not a prime number, but if we take HCF of 9 and 2, it's 1. So 9 and 2 are co-prime numbers. Similarly, in the case of 3 and 8, 8 is not a prime number, but if we see their HCF of 3 and 8, the HCF of 3 and 8 is 1. So it's a co-prime number. Now twin primes are those co-prime number which differ by 2, just like 3 and 5, 11, 13, 17, 19, 21, 23, and many more cases are there for twin prime number. Now next is composite number. Composite number are all numbers except prime number and 1. And we need to note that 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Now friends, next term which comes is integers, represented by I. So in the first example you can see -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, all are integers. Further we categorize integers as positive integers, negative integers, non-negative integers, and non-positive integers. Let's see what's the difference between them. Positive integers are like 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative integers in the same order, -1, -2, -3. Now remember one thing, 0 is neither a positive number nor a negative number. So when we talk about non-negative integers, so in that case we are talking about all the positive numbers including 0. So it starts with 0, 1, 2. See, same in the case of non-positive integers. So again 0 is neither a positive nor a negative number, so 0 would be included in this 0, -1, -2, cause it's not a positive integer but 0 is an integer. So that's the difference between non-positive and negative integers, that 0 comes in non-positive integers and 0 does not comes in negative integers. Now next thing comes is rational numbers. Rational numbers represented by q, which could be written in the any number which could be written in the form of p by q, is called a rational number, where q should not be equal to 0 and p and q should be co-prime. By co-prime we mean that their HCF should be 1. See, I have taken a case 2 by 6. It's a rational number, but we can see that its HCF is 2, so I have eliminated 2 from the denominator and numerator, so I have got 1 by 3. That is its simplest form. So that's what the word co-prime means, that their HCF should be 1. So in the case of 1 by 3, HCF of 1 and 3 would be 1. And say any number L, it could be written in the form of L by 1, that is in the form of p by q. So any number every number is a rational number cause it could be written in the form of number divided by 1. Now rational numbers are further divided into two parts. When we divide them, either they are terminating decimals or in repeating decimals. For example, I have taken two cases. 1 by 5 we get the answer 0.5, and 5 by 4 I get the answer 1.25. See, in first case we see that it's terminating, that it stops after a certain value. But in the second case, we've taken example 1 by 3. Dividing 1 by 3 we get the answer 0.333. So we see that the decimal, the numbers after the decimal keeps on repeating, and thus we place a bar over the repeating number. So we have placed a bar over 3. Now in the case of 69 by 550, the answer comes 0.125454. So we see that 5454 is repeating, so we have placed a bar over 54. So rational numbers are either terminating, that it stops after a certain value, or it repeats itself. Friends, now next thing comes is irrational numbers. By the name itself you can know कि number which is not rational is irrational. So a number which can't be written in the form of p by q where q is not equal to 0. Now the thing to be noted over here is p and q both are integers. So if I take example root 2 and root 5, they are irrational number, but you may say that root 2 could be written in the form of root 2 by 1, that is in the form of p by q. Yes, q is an integer, but root 2 is not an integer, so it's come in the category of irrational number. We need both p and q as integers. Now as rational number was categorized between terminating decimal and repeating decimals. Irrational number is not terminating, non-repeating. Just like example is 0.1010050001, and it goes on like this. That is it neither stops nor does it repeats itself. So it's example of irrational number. If you want to further uh, find a number given is a rational or a irrational number by dividing, so on dividing when you will get number which doesn't stops after certain value, or it and nor does it repeats itself, so you can make out that it's a irrational number. Lastly, we come to real number. Real number include all the numbers, rational number, irrational number, and I like to conclude a few things. Rational number contains integers, and integers, as we seen, we were having positive integers, negative integer, non-positive integer, non-negative integer. Then rational number also contain whole number, natural number. The difference between whole number and natural number was that whole number contains 0, natural number does not contain 0. Then in natural number we were having composite number and prime number. Composite number were those composite number are natural number excluding prime number and 1. So I have given you a gist of what a natural number, basics of natural number. Hope so you might have got some idea about what natural number actually is, or I must say number system. Thank you for watching this video.